Okay, here we have some central air conditioning units at a commercial place nearby my town. And there are even more units up there. But I'm gonna just take a quick look at these two units first. So yeah, here we have a Ream value unit. Oh wait, no, this is a Weatherking. It's from 2010, and it's a 2-ton, 13 SEER. And then right here is a Goodman unit. Has a rotary compressor. 13 SEER. And there's Steve for that unit. But yeah. Here are these units now. Here we have a Tempstar central air conditioner. I think it has an LG scroll. That's a 5-ton from 2020. And then right here, here's a Ruud unit. It's a 5-ton from 2018. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And then here's a Lennox Value Series unit. And the coil's a little bit beat up on this unit. That's a 1.5-ton from 1997. And then here's the last unit, which is a York unit. Has an LG scroll compressor. That's a 5-ton from 2022. But yeah, just trying to make a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.